So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build free Google form online easily without using any software that you can share with someone and collect data from. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have here. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here, you have to search for Google Forms. Just simply search it and open this first website, which is of Google Forms. Now here, click on this option, this plus icon, which is start a new form, and once you do that, let's just skip all of it. Now here you have to give multiple parameters that you want to be added on your form. You can even add multiple choice questions, and you can give the title for the form, the description. You can get all the responses of your form here, and you can add multiple things. You can see, you can add a question, and you can import a question, add text, add images, add videos, and add multiple sections as well for free. Once you do all of it, just simply hit publish and your form will be live. You can share the link. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.